Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading with KS. So today is Friday, 25th of March, 2022. So today market looks good. Okay, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Want to open trading account? You can try CGS-CIMB account. Use my link. And I want to buy me coffee. Go to coffee.com Trading with KS. So let's check out the introduction first. Disclaimer. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, take a look at KLCI. KLCI is still trying to break through 1006. So, but today still look up a bit. Still bullish a bit, but it still got stuck here at 1006 now at 1601. So still haven't break through. We have to see what happened. Okay, so far so good . Okay, look at the sector today. Performance, gainers 493, losers 287, sentiment 63, not bad. Volume 1.18 billion. Okay. 3.64 points up, 0.23%, 1603. Now is 1603. So market after early open, after retailer buy-ins drop a bit, then after that got support from institution. Okay, so the price continue to go up. So today consumer not bad, 0.65 up, industry 0.63 up, construction up. So construction now is a hot team now. Okay, the team the sector in play now, construction starting to show at least short-term rebound. Technology continue to go up. So technology continue to hold. Finance drop a bit, 0.18, property up 0.23, plantation up 0.3, RET up 0.85, energy drop a bit, 0.53, healthcare up 0.37, telecommunication up down 0.319, transportation up 0.35, utilities continue to up 0.82. Okay, look at some top gainers. MPI, Vitrox, technology, I really repeat many times. So I don't need to repeat all these technology because I really talk about many times. Look at PMETAL GAMUDA. PMETAL, take a look. The aluminum price rebound. Okay, aluminum price rebound. SIME, today big rebound. SIME. Take a look at SIME later. SIME Corp. This one I already talked about it. Corbe, all this. Revenue, take a look. Revenue, LIIHEN, take a look. Other than that, Unisem, all the technology continue to hold. Finance also continue to hold. Some plantation also continue to hold. SAM, very little movement. Okay, so these are the few . WCT, I see got some opportunity because MRT play. So WCT PMETAL GAMUDA SIME HTPADU. Did I see HTPADU here? Here, HTPADU got big rebound. Okay, MYTECH, LIIHEN, revenue . So take a look at WCT first. Now construction team very very hot. WCT rebound already. Can try a bit. Because this one it got the chance to supply to this MRT. 0.53 breakthrough, can buy, try a bit. Look at 0.625 first take profit, second take profit 0.8 MIDF. PMETAL. PMETAL, this one is this rebound, right, is opportunity to run only. I don't think it's investment opportunity. I think opportunity to run for now. Because it really hit most of the target. Let me see. So got so many target here. 8 ringgit. Does it got a chance? Wait for the rebound first. Wait for the rebound. Wait, RSI go through 50, maybe pick some. Try and see. But not yet. This is not rebound yet. RSI haven't break through yet. This one wait a while and see. Just watch. Keep watching. Now not yet rebound. SIME, so today SIME got rebound. Let me see. Oh, SIME very strong. SIME maybe can pick a bit. Pick a bit at $2.3. If it, then maybe a bit sideways here. Let me see. I think something is on SIME Derby. Can pick a bit SIME Derby. I think something is on. HTPADU. HTPADU trying to rebound, but the downtrend is still very strong. This one difficult to play. MYTECH. MYTECH still downtrend. MYTECH still downtrend. Still not a chance to play yet. Don't think it's a chance. LIIHEN trying to rebound. Higher low. Okay, dividend not bad. LIIHEN doing well. The report is getting better. LIIHEN also possible can pick a bit. I think this one maybe got chance 3.3. I think got chance. This short term 3.3. Then we look at this other area 3.4, 3.49, 3.7. I think LIIHEN got chance. Stop loss below here. $2.735. Revenue keep on rebound. Maybe can getting the digital license. I think getting so revenue first pick is 1.56, second pick is 1.66. Now look at hold until it drop Continue to hold look at 1.8, 2.0, 2.3. Okay, so that's it for the morning. I'll talk to you again in the evening. Bye bye.